There's so many different causes for back pain. It could be visceral from your organs, it could be musculoskeletal, it could be from your SI joints, or it could also be from your breathing muscles. Your breathing muscles, they don't just start and end in your ribs. They taper and insert into core muscles and also along your spine. So you may not want to actually massage your back. You might want to go into your side. So you take a Coregeous ball and bring it into the side of your waist so that your Coregeous ball literally indents and temporarily stretches the obliques, the lats, the transversus abdominis, and potentially the deeper than that, the psoas and the quadratus lumborum. Take a breath into the Coregeous ball and change its shape. Hold your breath temporarily and actually stiffen the muscles of your trunk. And as you exhale, try to pinch the ribs and the pelvis together. So I'm doing a little miniature side bend here as I get rid of all the air in the body. Relax and do that again. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Constrict. Hold that for a few seconds just to maximize tension. And then on exhale, slowly leak the air out through your nose as you hike your pelvis towards your rib cage and you slide your rib cage towards your pelvis. And release. Do that about 8 times on one side. Try it about 8 times on the other. And you might find that your back pain changes considerably even if you don't know where it's coming from.